Hey guys, I'm showing you this Zendure power bank. It's a 10,000 milliampere mini portable charge battery with a pack of the PD 20 watt power delivery with a quick charge 3.0 USB-C. So it's an external battery for iPhones or any other phone that use the USB-C cable, or it's also have a USB. So I will just show you. So first thing is of course a nice box packing. So let me just take this out. A charging cable, manual and stuff. So just it's a straightforward process, so I will just focus on the product itself. So remove all this protective covering. So my first impression is a small design with a 10,000 milliampere battery size. This is really a compact design with a two uh, device simultaneously charge. So it supports with a USB-C and there's a USB. So one side is a USB-C, other side is a USB, and then this can supports a PD of 20 watt port and Zen 2.0 quick charge port. So this is a USB-C. The charging cable is like that, but I like the design here, and you can see the power indicator. So it's also have a power indicator that you can see. It can charge iPhone, Samsung, iPad, Switch or smartwatch. So here I just put in this USB-C. So right now I'm trying to charge a USB-C product. So you can see the light is on, it starts charging in here, so it's pretty fast. And you can see the indicator, so you can charge the product, and you can also add it to your iPhone. So here you can see the iPhone start charging, so you can charge your iPhone. So it's very easy to carry, take anywhere you want, and you can also charge the both devices simultaneously with one with the USB, one with the USB-C. It's pretty nice and cool with a small factor, very handy, and it can just fit like a credit card on the hand. So have a little weight, but still much lighter than the other power batteries I checked or evaluated. But this is a really nice power bank.